How to customize Ghostty Terminal 2025. Follow these instructions. Open Ghostty and go to the Settings panel, or press the shortcut key to access configuration where you can change how it looks and works. Inside the settings, look for the Appearance section, where you can adjust colors, background, text size, and font to suit your style. Choose a font that's easy to read while coding. You can use fonts like Code or JetBrains Mono by adding them to your font settings. Pick a color theme you like, light, dark, or custom. You can also create your own theme by editing the config files manually if you prefer. Change the background opacity if you want a transparent look, which makes your desktop or wallpaper visible behind your terminal. Save your changes and restart Ghostty if needed. Your new design will load and appear each time you open the terminal after setup. Thank you for watching.